Welcome everybody back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this new Bambu Lab plate I just got from Bambu Lab. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, we got that open. Throw that away. Bambu Lab. Nice and branded there. Very minimalistic. This is my old printing plate. Alright, pretty bad. Yes, that's good. And I have bought this unbranded flat printing plate, but I don't think it worked as intended. I think it's actually supposed to be on this side. So that didn't work. So now I got this one. Same size as both of those, but actually definitely meant to be smooth. Alright, y'all get the first looks at it. Might not be able to see it really good right now. We'll switch the camera position here. Alright, let's open it up here. Boom. Look at that. Nice and matte black and definitely smooth. Get two little protective pieces of cardboard in here. That's about it for that. And guys, here it is. Nice little protective plastic wrap around it. And since this is actually branded, I actually know how to freaking use it. Alright, so let's just do a nice satisfying peel. I'll let you try to get the audio on this. Nice ASMR there. Alrighty. Nice and smooth on this side. Let's check to make sure it is actually the same size. Same exact size. Very good. Alright, let's peel off the other side. Boom. Alrighty guys, that's about it. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this little small short unboxing video. I don't do many of these. I'm sorry it's not like flying related. Hopefully I should be getting some flying stuff soon to unbox for you. But yeah, hopefully the next few unboxing videos, if I do any more, should be a little bit more in depth and actually good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.